Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are looking if we can be bougie on a budget because I found this at Dollar Tree actually, and I was looking for like an under eye roller because I love skincare tools, and I just wanted to talk about it today and try it on for the first time on the camera. First impression, everything, and it's from E.L.F, by the way, so it's cheap and expensive, so we can be bougie on the budget. So before we get into it, make sure to subscribe to my channel for 5 beautiful videos a week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. All right. So I was walking at the Dollar Tree section, and I was looking for, random stuff, hair stuff, perfume, just to try out to see, like, the difference between super expensive and more like cheap things. I came across this, and you know what's funny? This was $1.25 because in Canada everything's $1.25 except in the US it's $1, but here it's different. This was in the aisle, and what's funny about that is that it is actually $4 at Walmart for this thing, and apparently I looked it up online. It is out of stock kind of like everywhere except for Dollar Tree, so if you go check out, it might be there. So I thought at first when I grabbed this it was only going to be the tool, but then I noticed that there is product in there, so I was like, oh my god, this is even better than I thought. So anyways, we're gonna try this. I refresh for the eyes and it is clear. So what does it say? It is a cooling sensation of rollerball, helps brighten and refresh the eye area to help alleviate under eye puffiness and dark circles. So the thing is, I don't really have any puffiness under my eyes naturally, so I just woke up too, so I don't know. The good thing is it is infused with key ingredients like pomegranate, rosemary, green tea, which is amazing. Oh my god. Cucumber and grape to help hydrate and nourish the skin. So that thing right there is, my skin is super dry right now. I can feel it being super dry, dehydrated, whatever you want to call it, okay? It's saying to gently roll the tip from the inner corner to the outer corner of the eye several times to dispense the formula. Apply under or over makeup as often as desired. So I don't like applying product over makeup, so I like to prep like under. So we're gonna like take it out because this is what we're gonna do. So it's very compact, so you can bring it everywhere with you. And the thing that I like is that this, you can just like roll it open and it is there. This is so amazing. And then you can see it, It's pretty cute. Anyways, that's what it looks like. It doesn't really smell like anything. I forgot my other mirror, so we're going to stick with that massive one for today. And we're going to start applying because me rambling is not going to change anything. So this is my before. We have a little bit of dark redness circles under the eyes, of course. And then we're just going to apply it and roll it to activate the blood flow. So I'm just going to do like half the face first. It's like nothing is coming out of it. Am I crazy? I'm just like, Okay, so for some reason, there's nothing that is coming out of it. OMG. So maybe that's why it was a Dollar Tree. I don't know. But there's not really anything. So anyways, we're just going to continue without the formula coming out of it. So maybe it's just like, oh, I'm using this to, just roll, alleviate the puffiness and like all these things, activate the blood flow. I do feel like here it's a little bit brighter. I don't know if I'm crazy, but from rolling and like activating here, I feel like it's working a lot, and I'm not, pressing a lot. I'm just rolling it, applying a little bit of pressure, and then it's just going there. But there's nothing coming out of it, so there's nothing. So what I'm going to do for the other side, like as you can see, it's a little bit brighter. I feel like the blood coming under my eyes, which is really nice. If you had puffiness, I guess it would be better, but I don't really have any puffiness, so... And there's no product coming out, like, at all. Okay, so I don't mind it because I thought at first I was buying this and there was no product. So this having no product doesn't really bother me. It's just annoying when it says something on a box and then it's not there. So anyways, I would recommend you putting something else. So I'm going to be putting something else under my eyes and rolling with it. So we're going to go with the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream to see what it does. So like even if you buy this and you have no product, can you continue to use it with the ball? So we're gonna try this. Super cute. I'm gonna put a lot, just like that. I do have the cream. With the eye cream, it looks a little bit brighter, a little bit better. But the fact that there's no cream, I don't mind it. Like I told you guys, it's just really a bit disappointing because it's saying something and it's not there. It was closed. I didn't touch it. So anyways, can you use it with other products? You definitely can. I just recommend you like spray a little bit of alcohol on it and then roll it to really disinfect anything that's in there, to remove any bacteria, because you wouldn't want to have like, you know, like these things going under your eyes and creating milia, which is like that, you know, like I have one right here, I think. Yeah, it's those, you know, like those little white pimples that don't want to go away. It's like annoying and it just doesn't go away. Well, that's what it does. So, I mean, if you want to buy one and you're like scared of not getting anything in there, just go to Dollar Tree. It might be there. Other than that, I'm just going to put a little bit of cream on the other side because as you can see, like look at how much brighter, but that's the cream that does that. But my under eye does feel warm. It feels, you know, plumped from the rolling. It doesn't feel refreshed though. Eye refresh ain't refresh. And I feel like if you use the roller, the cream gets into your skin so much better because the blood flow and everything it just goes there and it's cute. The warmness of the skin after rolling, it just gets in it more properly. So anyways, do I recommend under eye rollers? Especially for $1.25, I absolutely do. Even though there's no product in there, if it's dried out, you know, you never know why it's going there. It's so much cheaper than if you buy at Walmart. So there might be a reason for that. We're not gonna talk about that. But anyways, I really loved it. At $4.25, this is definitely worth it. Even for $4, it would be worth it. Dollar Tree, there's other things as well, some weird things that you can buy of like giant rollers, but the plastic is gonna be cheap. Like it doesn't look fancy in any way, shape, or form, but it does work. So that's a good thing about that. You're spending for the usefulness, not for the prettiness of it, which sometimes I would rather it being pretty than just being useful. Or I want both, you know what I mean? But this one is just nice because protected and clean. So that's what it is for today. It's just a little like try on video. It's kind of funny, it's fun, and it's different. So if you like this video and if you want to see more me trying skincare tools, skincare products, makeup products, make sure to like the video and to comment down below what you want to see next, of course, as always. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel for 5 beautiful videos a week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys.